Hi, my name is Kimberly Montesinos. I'm an owner of a cleaning company. I've been in business for 16 years. And today, O-Cedar has asked me to come in to NK's home to teach her how to clean hardwood floors.
Hi, everybody.
A lot of people mop a floor, leave it saturated with water, and that's the most damaging thing you can do.
Who knew?
So one of the things that we use that I absolutely love, it's called an O-Cedar spin mop. With the spin mop, you control how much water is actually applied to the floor. The beauty of the spin mop is that it's a microfiber mop. And so the beauty of microfiber is it doesn't scratch your floors, which is something obviously you don't want to happen to your wood floor. And then it pulls the dirt to the microfiber.
Show me, how does this work?
So here's our Easy Ring spin mop and bucket.
It's so pretty. I love
Okay,
it.
and here's a little piece on the side that I was talking to you about where you can pump it. And here's our microfiber mop head. So I want you to go ahead and touch that.
Can I touch it?
You can touch it.
Oh, it's so soft.
It's so soft. Put that on the floor for me if you don't mind. And then we're just gonna go with the angle of the mop. We're gonna place it right on top and then lightly click it right in. You hear that?
Yeah.
So then you're ready to go. So we're gonna put it in the water.
Okay.
Great. All right, now we're gonna put it in the spin.
in the spin.
In the spin.
Okay.
So let's go with 2 pumps.
Okay.
See, even once it's wet, the mop is very light and easy to maneuver.
So, Kimberly, I'm gonna be honest with you. I love this, but I cannot commit to doing it every day. I can commit once a week on the weekends, but is there something I can do in between time, because dirt happens in my house every day, but this will not.
Well, funny that you ask. I'll go ahead and show you our Pro Mist Max spray mop. I think you'll love it. The beauty of the microfiber again with this is you're going to be controlling the amount of water that goes on the floor with your sprayer.
Okay.
You're going to clean with that side of your microfiber pad. You flip it, dry it. Now when you're working along the base of your baseboards and around your island where there's food particles, perhaps hair, bacteria,
Yes.
this is going to attract, like a magnet, because this is microfiber again, all of that with it on the dry end. Once you're done, pop it off and it goes into the wash.
Bye-bye, bacteria.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. I feel like I am a floor expert.
You are, and thank you for having me. It was my pleasure.
I'll get to work.
All right, let's go.